Hey guys, welcome to the Math Teacher Channel. My name is Tee Yong and today I'm going to solve some questions related to inverse proportion in today's episode. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and let's get started right now. Okay, let's start with reading the question together. So it is given that y varies inversely as the square of 2x plus 1 and y is equals to 3 when x is equals to 2. So for part A, form an equation connecting x and y, and for part B, find the values of x when y is equals to 48. So let's start with part A. So for part A, y varies inversely as the square of 2x plus 1. So this means that the equation is y is equals to k over the square of 2x plus 1, right? So it is not square root, it is the square. So a lot of students actually misread the word. They thought it's square root, but it's actually square. So now it's the square, so 2x plus 1 square, right? So when y is equals to 3, x is equals to 2. So this means that 3 is equals to k over 2 times 2 plus 1 square, right? So 3 is equals to k over 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 square, which will also give us to be 25. So k is equals to 25 times 3, which is 75. So therefore, the equation that connects x and y together is y is equals to 75 over 2x plus 1 bracket square. So this answer part A of the question. Let's move on to part B. So part B says find the values of x. So you can see the word values. So that means there is more than one value of x, right? When y is equals to 48. So when y is equals to 48, this means that 48 equals to 75 over 2x plus 1 square. Okay, so 48, so we actually do a cross multiplication, right? So this will mean that 48 times 2x plus 1 whole thing square equals to 75. Now let's try to expand this out. So if you notice something about this is actually the special algebraic identity. So what is this identity? It is actually this a plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So this will mean that we can actually expand 2x plus 1 bracket square into this form. So this will be 48 times 4x square, that is a square, plus 2ab, so it's 4x, plus b square, 1 square, so it's 1, equals to 75. So let us expand times the 48 into the algebraic expression. So this gives us to 192x square plus 192x plus 48 equals to 75. Right, so we bring 75 over to form a quadratic equation. Okay, so this will mean that it will be 192x square plus 192x minus 27 equals to 0, right? So we can actually factorize out 3 from this equation to make it simpler for us to solve later. So this will mean that this will be 64x square plus 64x minus 9 equals to 0. So with the help of the calculator, we can actually factorize out this equation. So it will give us 8x minus 1 bracket 8x plus 9 equals to 0. And with this, x is equals to 1 over 8 or x is equals to negative 9 over 8. Right. and this will answer the question for B, right? So just something to take note, because the question actually tells us a very big hint. Find the values of x. So this means that there are two values of x we have to look out for, and that's why my answer is two values of x, which we have right here. Alright, so we have come to the end of today's video. So if you think that you enjoyed this video and it is valuable in teaching you more about inverse proportion, feel free to hit the like button and share the video with your friends. If you want more of such math tutorial videos, feel free to also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you can get notifications to my new videos in the future. And lastly, if you have any questions or feedbacks or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. With this, thank you and have a good day ahead. This is Tee Yong, signing off.